Hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll be talking about while loop. So while loop, as you can see the statement over here, statement will be executed as long as a condition is true. So let's understand it with an example. Okay. Let's say this is our basically a while loop. I equal to 1 while I less than 3. This is our condition. I less than 3 is our condition, and then we have a statement inside it. So what will happen? First of all, I equal to 1 will be initialized. After that, a condition will be checked. If the condition is true, it will gain entry to the statement that is there inside the while block. So I is less than 3, that means I is what? 1. 1 is less than 3, condition is true. So as you can see, statement will be executed as long as the condition is true. So that means print of I. That means in the background 1 will be printed. As you can see on the right hand side, I am trying to print 1 over here, right? Now, after that, we are saying please increment the value of I by 1. That means the new I value, what it will become? It will become 2. Because it's a loop, it will again go back and check if the condition is true or not. Now I is what? 2. This time I has incremented by 1, right? Previously it was incremented by 1. So 2 less than 3, condition is again true. It will again gain the entry and it will print of I. In the background, it will print 2, as you can see that over here. Now it will again go back, I plus 1 equal to 3. What it will become? It will increment the I value by 1. This time I will become 3, right? Now again it will go back, but this time 3 less than 3, no. 3 is equal to 3, but 3 is not less than 3. Condition is false. The moment the condition will become false, it will not be able to go inside the while block and it will terminate the loop. So that means in the background, it will print only 1 and 2. Let's do the same thing on our ideally. Let me open up ideally, and over here I simply say I equal to 1. While I simply use the same thing, I is less than 3. I put my condition over here, and then over here I simply say, as you can see that print of I, right? I'll simply say print of I and increment the value of I by 1. Let's run it and see that. You're able to see 1 and 2 only, right? Because the moment it came out to be 3, the condition became false and it was not able to print it, right? So I hope this particular while loop is clear, right? This is while loop, and we'll be also talking about for loop as well in Python, but loops are very important. So as long as the condition is true, statement will be executed inside your while block. Thank you everyone.